And welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen, everybody, and happy Valentine's Day. I'm kind of excited about today. You know, if you are like me, I like homemade gifts. I mean, we established that during Christmas, right? Well, today is no different. We absolutely refuse to spend a lot of money on, cards and candy and flowers and all that stuff, but everybody likes receiving gifts on the holidays. So I'm going to show you an inexpensive way to treat your friends and family, loved ones with some really cool stuff. My husband and I were walking through the grocery store, and it's Valentine's, and there is hearts and candy and crap everywhere. And I saw something in the store the other day that I thought, you got to be kidding me. And they were charging outrageous amounts for it. And I looked at my husband, I'm like, we totally could do that on the cheap and do it just as good. And I'm going to show my viewers how to do it at home and cost them pennies compared to what they're charging people for the same treat. So first thing you need to do, if I didn't tell you, we're going to dip we're going to we're going to dip yummy stuff in chocolate. And first thing we got to do is melt our chocolate. I've got white chocolate and I've got chocolate morsels, but one thing you want to do is put just a little bit. You wouldn't have to do this, but I'm going to put just a touch of coconut oil in my chocolate, just a little bit. And then we're going to pop this in the microwave and get it all melted. 20-second intervals. Am I saying that right?
Intervals?
Anyway, 20 seconds at a time. Give it a stir. Pop it back in each time you need to get it melted. I'm going to get that melted and I'll bring you right back. Okay, our chocolate is melted. First thing, I'm going to start off with Nutty Butters. This was one of the things that we saw in the store. And I'm going to take our little cookies and I'm just going to dip them in the chocolate about halfway. And just leave kind of a handle and let kind of the excess drop off and set them over here on our wire rack. I'll dip one in the white chocolate. Letting the extra drip. Okay. We're going to do an Oreo. And I'm just dunking about halfway. I mean, how cute is that? We'll do a white chocolate. Now, we're also going to do some fruit. I've got some toothpicks, these pretty strawberries. You will pay a lot of money in the store for the strawberries. Set that up there. Now, this is debatable. This one is very debatable with my family. I'm going to do it because we're going to try it. This may be the most awful tasting thing ever, but I personally think it'll taste good. Yes, my friends, I am dipping pineapple in white chocolate. We'll see if it's any good. Ooh, I just strung chocolate everywhere. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and dip some more of these up, let it set for a second, and then I'll show you the next step. On our chocolate stuff, I'm going to take some white chocolate. Really? On our white chocolate stuff, I'm just going to take some white chocolate now and drizzle over the top of it. And then just let that set up. And then your white chocolate stuff, you would just take some of your chocolate stuff and string some melted chocolate, let that set up. And that is all there is to it, my friends. So easy. Your friends and family are going to think you spent a lot of money on it. I've seen where chocolate covered strawberries can run you like 50 bucks for a dozen of them. Don't go spend all that money. Just do it yourself. You can do it, I promise. And your friends and family are going to think you love them a lot. So, and homemade gifts, guys, they mean so much more. Don't go breaking the bank. You don't have to. Thank you for joining me so much on Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. If you like today's video, more right here on the way. I got 2 more right here waiting on you. Thanks for joining us today on Mama Z's Texas Kitchen, and we'll see you on the next video.